onion. So guys, the onion is already fried. I'm gonna put it here and then I'll blend it together with the bell pepper. This is red bell pepper, ginger, and spring onion. Yeah, I'll add it in here. So this is mushroom. I'll toss it a little bit. This is our blended sauce. So I'll add it in the pan. And stir. And let it cook together with the mushroom. This is our seasoning cube, and add it in there. And I'll test if the salt is enough. Add in a little bit of salt. Daddy, call me. And then cover and let it cook for 10 minutes in a low heat to avoid it from burning. That's it. So guys, our sauce is all ready. So I got peanut butter here. As you can see, that's peanut butter. I'll just add 2 spoons of peanut butter into the sauce. See, that's 2 spoons. And then mix. This is our chicken, so I'll add it in the sauce. And then followed by zucchini here. It won't take long, just only 5 minutes to be ready. So I'll cover it and let it steam for 5 minutes to be ready. That's it. So guys, look, our vegetable is all ready now. You don't need to overcook because we want it to be crunchy and we don't want to lose the nutrient from the vegetable. It's all ready. Put off the heat. You can see. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Yeah. Add bread with butter. So there's garlic in here, and then this is melted butter. food is all ready. Now it is time for us to serve our food and enjoy our lunch. Yes, so our chicken is here. Yeah, it came out so delicious, guys. And then we got vegetable here, and this is our flatbread, the garlic with butter, and then we're gonna have serve it also with rice. So yeah, let me get the chicken. Look at the sauce, it's so rich and delicious, guys. Yeah, and then we'll have a little bit of vegetables at the side. So guys, time to eat. Look at that, the bread is so soft and fluffy. So I'll get a little bit of it and scoop it here, and get the chicken. Look at the chicken, is so soft and tender, and so delicious, guys. And also the broccoli, zucchini, thank you so much. Comment and like and share, subscribe. See you into my next video. Bye bye.